now. You guys can say hi to Selena. Good morning, 603. Guys got to wake up. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you, Flavia. Selena did come in. She wanted to pop in and say good morning to you. As you can see, she's right here with me. So I hope that you guys had a good day yesterday. Today is going to be even more fabulous. We have these awesome things planned this morning. So first off, hi Nia. First off, what I need you guys to do is I need you to type your first and last name in the chat. Hello, Joelle. First and last name in the chat. And then I want you to tell me how you're feeling today. Mine was short and sweet. I just put, today what did I write? I said, today I'm feeling recharged and rejuvenated. So you can write how you're feeling. Tyrone, I'm gonna need you to sit up though, okay? Please, make sure you got your materials for math class. Ravi said, today I'm feeling broken. Oh, I'm sorry. So Coney, man, where are you at? I don't see a head. I don't see a face. I don't know what that is. Wood steps or something? And Flavia, your camera went off, love. Not sure why.
I'm gonna go grab my notebook.
Okay, you got to tell me those things, okay? Now I know, but next time type it. You feel tired. Yeah, I hear you, Angie. All right, guys. Today I feel calm. Okay, that's cool, Nia. I guess, Flavia, you're going to get to take your walk today like you were always doing for a while, right? So, Coney, how you doing, man? You feel tired, another tired. Today I am feeling chill because I woke up early and I joined early. Okay, that's cool. That makes sense, Arderlin. Noelle, how we doing, Noelle? Justin, how we doing? So, Coney, today I feel tired. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. We got one more day, and then it's Friday, and then we have Saturday school on Saturday. Uh-oh, now we got 2 cameras off. Not sure why. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I didn't,
What you just said?
I said your camera went off, and I didn't know why. Someone's camera went off. All right, Azalea is, okay, the rest of the people are late now. All right, Justin, what did he say? Today I feel calm. Okay, Justin Hudson, that's another calm. A few people feel calm, a few people feel tired. Anyways, what else is going on? Nothing else, guys? All right. So Mr. Rudy and Nathan. All right, so we're typing that in the chat. We now are going to be moving on to a Padlet. Mr. R will talk. Mr. R created a really nice Padlet for you guys. Okay, I believe we put models in there. Him and I modeled it. Hey, Mr. R. Hello, Joelle. I need a camera. Thank you.
Hey everyone, sorry that my camera's off full on. I don't know what's going on with this camera.
All right. I'll put the Padlet in the link for them while you get situated. So we were just typing our name while we were waiting for the rest of the class to come. We were typing how we were feeling, Mr. R. Do you want to talk about the Padlet and then?
So pretty much, guys, the idea is that we are all in a pandemic zone, and I really didn't get a chance to get to know you, and neither did Ms. Canova. So the idea behind this is to get to know you a little bit better and ask you a couple of questions. I really hope that everybody can do this, as it is a participation credit toward your grade. I already modeled it. Kalani started. Thank you, Kalani. Take your time, guys. You guys have legit till 9 o'clock to finish this. It's no rush, but I want it done correctly. So obviously your title, where it says your title, it should say your name, or it should say let it be known and then your name, whichever one you prefer. But definitely get to know with that. In the meantime, I'm going to be posting up the classwork.
All right. I can also model. I can read one of our models, guys. I'll read what's written so far. That way, you know, there's no confusion. So it's pretty straightforward, you know, because if we were in the building the first month of September in homeroom, we would do these fun activities. So, okay, so I wrote, I would like to share more facts about myself to you all. Some are my goodie, oops, it's supposed to say some of my hobbies. Oops. Some of my hobbies are working out, SoulCycle, inspiring my students every day by shining my light, love, and passion in my teaching, cooking, enjoying nature with Selena, helping all students achieve their potential, helping my clients reach their health and wellness goals, reading and cleaning. This year has been an interesting year, meaning 2020. I have been teaching from home since March of 2020 and never would have thought of this. I have learned to make remote online classes on Zoom as authentic as possible, as if you were in my classroom learning with me. I enjoy not having to wake up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning to leave Long Island by 6 a.m. to avoid the traffic. I have learned to embrace the time with those who mean so much to me. I have learned to carve out a lot more self-care time for myself and to detach from the laptop at times. Before COVID-19, these were in place, but I have developed a better schedule to allow myself to recharge, to feel rejuvenated. If I could be anywhere in the world, it would be Italy to spend time with my family there. I have a cousin who has been to America twice, who wishes she can come here more often. She is 90 years old and she is still very active.
She's 90?
Yes, her name is Pipanella.
Oh.
And her English is not so great. I only met her twice. I must have been, I think I was 7 and maybe like, I think when I graduated college when I was 21. So when you call her, you have to know Italian or you can't speak to her. But she does yoga, she still cooks, she drives her car. She has a villa in Rome, guys, so she has maids that clean for her. But she worked to get those things, right? We got to work to get things in life. Givelli's late. Mister, I'm going to text you who's late, all right?
You got the.
I wrote it down. Here, yeah, I'm writing it right now. Okay. All right, so you guys have about 5 more minutes to finish this up.
Hey, why you guys doing that? I don't mind playing some music.
Yeah, hey, that's cool. Let's do that.
I don't know. I'm in the mood. Somebody write something in the chat, something they want to listen. They want to listen to calming music?
Yeah.
Focus music, maybe? Focus?
Yeah.
What's that?
Like an opera or something like that, or something they like.
Pure focus? Maybe? I don't know.
Sure, that sounds fabulous. Jennifer came late.
Hey guys, I'm just looking up things. I don't know what you guys are into.
You guys were late to morning.
That'll be tomorrow's palette. What type of music you like?
Yeah, so if you don't get to finish it today, we're going to continue this tomorrow because we're going to make it really beautiful. That way we can get it shared out with this.
Don't know what this is. I'm playing. It's called Pure Focus Apple Music.
Okay. If your camera's off, you need to have told us why, because if not, the school policy is to put you in the weight room. So I know about Saucony, but Joelle, I'm not sure why yours is off. So if you don't answer why it's off, we're going to be putting you in the weight room.
I'm on my phone and I'm doing the palette. So
how come you're not on a computer?
Because I'm not at my house right now.
Okay, that makes sense. Next time, type that in the chat. Guys, just a reminder, this class starts at 8:45. We had 3 people come, 1 8:50 and 2 at 8:52. You are officially late. Okay, go to the bathroom. Noelle. Come on, Justin, you got to do some more. Angie? These are great answers, Mr. R.
Miss Canelo,
Yes.
what is, maybe you can help me with this. I really don't know what this is. I'll text it to you.
Guys, you have about 2 more minutes.
Oh.
Nathan, I hope you're writing, kiddo.
I have no idea what this is, Miss Canelo. Maybe you can help me.
All right, send me a message, sir. All right, 8:58. By the way, I'm the anonymous person making the comments. Daniel, I need to see you writing, kid. We just have mine and Mr. R's.
What is this? Miss Canelo, what's this?
What? You typed it in the chat?
No, I'm texting you.
Oh, we could talk offline about that. I'll tell you after.
You can't text me real quick just to give me an idea? All right, I'll figure it out. Let me see.
This is what it is.
Huh?
Here. Oh, Stephen Cummings is late. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. It is 9 o'clock. So what we will be doing now is we're going to proceed now to math class. We will put this in Google Classroom so that you guys can finish it at your leisure. We will also continue with this tomorrow because there's a lot. You know, we can always expand on what we write. Now, before we move into today's work, guys, you're going to need 3 things, all right? You're going to need a pen or a pencil. You're going to need your phone or your calculator. And then you're going to need a notebook. All right, so you need a notebook. Ooh, computer's flat. A notebook, something to write with, and something to compute your answers, a calculator. Look at those items. You have 10 seconds to get them. You should have had them already next to you. Take the next 10 seconds. I like this. Maybe we can make this very mellow in the background this time.
Are you talking about the music?
Yeah, like make it like very, like a little lower.
Okay, so
Really
how
cool, I
much
like
lower?
it.
I'm gonna keep playing it. You let me know how low.
Okay. That's good. Yeah? You guys can hear us right over the music? All right. So today, if anyone wants to type the learning target in, feel free to do that. If not, we will do it for you. We're going to assign who's reading the learning target page. We're going to assign who's going to do model problem 1. We will assign who will do model problem 2.
Guys, I just posted up the learning target, and then I told you exactly what you posted up to today's scholar as well.
Awesome, Mr. R.
And at this point, guys, your camera should be on. It's 9:01. I'm gonna be taking a quick attendance while you guys.
Wait, I'm going to screenshot you the update one I have in my notebook, sir.
We could just go over it. It's fine.
Here, I wrote it down.
So
Here.
that you send me pictures, I'm not gonna go back and forth. It's fine.
Well, it has the times that the students came late.
Okay.
I didn't want to say it out loud. You know what I mean? All right. So we're going to dish out who's going to read the learning target. Daniel Flores, you'll be reading the learning target page. Model problem 1 will be done by Ardelin. And Ardelin and Tyrone. Model problem 2 today will be done by Kalani Taylor and Jennifer Diaz. My guided problem 3 will be done by Noel and Nia. So I'll write those in there. So LT is the learning target page. It's going to be Daniel. Model problem 1 will be Ardelin and Tyrone. Model problem number 2 is going to be Kalani and Jennifer. And then guided problem number 3 is going to be Noel and Nia. All right. All right, so we're gonna get the show on the road, 603. But before we do that, guys, just understand there's no more work submission. You cannot submit your work late anymore, okay? Joelle, you're playing a video game. I see a purple remote control clicker. Try to focus on the work, sir, okay? That's what's the priority right now, so you can be the best you can be in the South Bronx, all right? Thank you. All right, Daniel Flores, please read the learning target. I will annotate what you need to write down in your notebook. Anything that has a red box, you write.
I can set up
Proportions.
proportions to solve problems with
Percents.
percents and apply them to real world situations.
Great. Can you read the important vocabulary word, what a percent is? What does a percent say?
Percent is a rate for every 100 or per 100. The signifies percent.
I'm going to help you out. A percent is a rate for every 100 or per 100. This symbol signifies, okay, percent. Percents can be expressed as fractions and decimals, Daniel. Right? So today we're going to be learning how to set up proportions again with percents using the part to whole relationship. Part to whole equal percent over 100. Again, this is all in the chat, what you need to write down. And I'm going to be kind enough to put in the chat box the formula for you so you can have it to look back on. The part to whole is in the screenshot. Okay, but you need to have a learning target. Daniel, I hope you're writing this, bud. You need to have the vocabulary word, and you need to have the part to whole relationship. A reminder, you will have to submit all your notes today by 2:25 to get credit. Okay, we're going to move on. We're going to go right to model problem 1. That's going to be done by Ardelin and Tyrone. So you guys are up. Come off mute and solve this problem, the two of you.
Hazel scored 38 points out of a possible 50 total points. What percent did she earn on her exam? So we don't know the percent is, so it's gonna be question mark. Number. She got 38 points out of a possible 50.
So what's the 38 part of whole?
Okay, repeat that.
Sure, the 38, is that the part or the whole?
It's the part,
Keep going.
and the whole is 50 total.
Now what do you guys do?
Divide.
Before you divide, what do you have to rewrite? What do you have to rewrite? Part to whole, right?
Yeah.
So tell us. Somebody, one of you, tell us what to do. Arun or Arlen?
The part is gonna be 38,
Okay.
and the whole is gonna be 50.
So 30 over 50, 38 over 50. I agree so far. I don't know about your partner, your assistant, if he's with you.
Who's that, Tyrone?
Mm-hmm.
And that's gonna
Tyrone,
be
finish it off. Come on.
What's the percent? Do we know it, Tyrone?
Percent is.
Look at what we wrote in green.
50.
Arlen, help him out.
is 100 because it is a percent out of 100.
Okay. How do you guys solve this problem?
We're gonna multiply. We're gonna use the butterfly method.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna multiply 38 times 100.
Okay. So I'm going to write that down. She said butterfly method. A multiply. Go ahead, Arlen and Tyrone.
Which is gonna equal 3,800. Then we're gonna divide the total of that by 50, which equals 76.
And what is that answer? What is that answer?
So Hazel earned 76% on her exam.
Adeline, I'm gonna send you a chat because I've been noticing something, but let me know if I'm wrong.
Now, how do you check this answer?
That's Tyrone. That's all Tyrone right there. How do we check that, sir? How do we know if we're right? Look at your notes. We went over this yesterday. 2 days ago.
What do we put next to the question mark? What was the answer?
76.
Okay. And then you do what method to solve it, to check it? Well, we're going to put it over here.
Same thing, right? We do what? You know the method. What method do we use?
Cross what? I'm going to do it in pink. We're going to do what? The butterfly method, right?
It's called the butterfly. Angie tried to draw a butterfly, I'm assuming, or she's probably messing up. But
What's 100 times 38, Tyrone Green?
100 times 88, 3,800.
And then what's 50 times 76?
3,800.
Okay.
so what do you notice about both of those numbers?
The same.
And what does that mean?
The same answer.
So that means what? Is that number correct?
Yeah.
There you go. Write that down. I need everybody to write that down. Guys, you all should be taking notes right now, all right?
You all see that, guys.
Remember, I should have your name and date. I'm looking at that specifically.
And a learning
Doesn't
target,
have-
right, Mr. R? And a learning target.
I have no idea what's going on in the chat. Angie, Steven, what's going on?
So you know what? Very, very simple.
No, don't disable it because I've been sending kids chat.
Okay.
I just want that to stop because next time I'm gonna just take up kickboard points, guys. That's not related to classwork.
In another 10 seconds, we're going to have Kalani and Jennifer. You're going to do problem 2, just like what they did. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm going to start by erasing this part. Remember, you have to submit all your notes, every note. So there will be 3
Nathan, where's your
problems.
notes?
Huh?
Nathan, where's your notes? Daniel, where's your notes? Do we have to sit here and wait for you to get your notebook and pencil? Because I will stop the whole class and wait for you. Go get a notebook and pencil, Daniel.
We asked a few times now.
Go. Daniel, did you hear me? Go get a notebook and pencil. Go.
Oh,
Oh,
right.
you got it. You got it. Okay, good. Right. Thank you. Who else? Gigi, you got your notebook and pencil?
So that means I should just undo
Where's it
everything.
at? Show me.
There we go.
Show me. Where's it at? All right, let's go. Come on, start writing. There we go. Joel, we got advisory today.
And same with Angie and Ardelin, 12:20.
We got advisory today, 12:20. I need to see you there. It's very, very important. It's about your grades. You don't want to be there, then you won't know.
Same with me, guys. All right, I'm going to start taking this away because
Here we go with that.
we did ask them to get their notebooks before they, when they came on.
I'm tired of you guys giving me the excuses, right? We need to make sure that we come here officially. You could come to class, you could show yourself in the camera, but does that mean you're doing the work? No. You need to see the proof.
This will be Kalani and Jennifer. So you have to read this very carefully to get the part and whole. Go ahead.
Miss
offered to give her a gift of 50% off the amount of money she saved in 1 year. Miss Canella saved.
I'm gonna mute the music because I can barely hear her.
How much did her mother give her as a gift?
Kalani, Jennifer, there's 3 questions. Read it and tell us what to write there.
what number is the percent? Then the percent is 50. 50%. And then the part, we don't know the part.
Let's read it again.
120.
What do you guys think? The amount of money she saved when Miss Canella saved. I only saved $120. How much money did her mother give her for the gift? So the 120 is what, Kalani?
The part?
You guys agree with that? So no one wrote in the chat. So only Kalani and Jennifer know 120. Does somebody disagree? Not agree? Let's see, we got 2 people. Let's see what you people wrote. I agree, I agree. Mr. R, do you agree?
For 120?
Yeah. You do, right?
Yes.
Okay, continue on. Jennifer and
I'm over here reading like 4 messages I got privately.
oh.
Yeah.
So Kalani and Jennifer, what is the whole?
The whole, we don't know.
Good.
What do we do now, guys?
We know that the percent is 50
Okay.
and that the part is 120.
Okay, so you're not wrong. I just want you to tell us the part to whole percent over 100. Okay, Kalani? We always have to rewrite this. Remember, we told you why, so you can get the correct answers, right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, so always make sure you write that first. Okay, now fill in your proportions. Go. You said it was, what's the part?
The part is 50.
The part?
120.
See, that's why you have to write the formula. What's the whole?
We don't know the whole.
And again, what I like to do is I like to check off when I write these down. So I did the part, I did the whole. What do I have to now write on the other side?
The percents.
So we'll do that.
Then it would be 50 over 100.
Now what do you do?
The butterfly method.
Mm-hmm.
Who said it? Who said it? Butterfly method, yes.
Yeah.
Butterfly method is easy, guys. Maybe after this we can show you an easier way to remember it, which I thought about. Don't know why I didn't think about it before, but what's 120 times 100?
Oh, they got this. Hey. Hmm.
12,000.
Uh-huh.
And this will be 12,000 divided by 50.
Bingo, 12,000 divided by 50. So the first step of the butterfly method is part A, which is multiply. The second step of the butterfly method is B, divide. After we do the two, we get the missing number. What's 12,000 divided by 50? Somebody with a calculator. Quick.
240.
To what?
240.
Thank you.
But that doesn't make sense.
It does not make sense.
So something is not right.
Hold
So
on.
she saved.
2 seconds. Yeah.
So, and then it says, how much did her mother give her as a gift?
I think 120 is the whole.
Yes. I think Kalani did say that in the beginning. You see? So we're just going to flip this around. So all we have to do, not a problem. Okay, so watch. 120. So now we're going to have 120 times 50. Let's just fix that. It takes 2 seconds. What's 120 times 50?
12,000.
Okay. Let's see. Then we take
What?
12. Wait, 150 times,
No,
I mean, 120 times 50? No, because 12 times 5 is 60.
it's 6,000. Miss
So
Connie.
yeah, I was waiting to see if they can correct it. So,
Yeah, Steven did in the chat. That's why I read it.
so 6,000 divided by 100 is what? 6,000 divided by 100, guys, is 6.
Anybody with a calculator? Anybody?
600.
6,000 divided by 100, guys.
It's 600? Really? You sure about that? I have 6.
Justin Hudson said 60. Yes, Justin.
Yeah.
Steven, 60. Flavia, 60. Yes.
And
60 is your answer. So I need you guys to do this multiplication correctly, okay? Now realize that the key to identify our error that we did was that we mixed up the numbers. After we put it in the formula correctly, right, we have 120 times 50. That equals 6,000. 6,000 divided by 100 equals 60, giving our answer choice of letter B, right?
And
So realize that anybody can make those mistakes.
just to go off of what we did, right? As you can see, yeah, we made a mistake, but that's okay. Because when you look back at the answer choices, you clearly saw that what we first had wasn't there. So that means that the part was in the wrong spot. Yeah? So again, it says Miss Canella saved, right? That is what she had. That's her whole amount. And then how much did her mom give her? Her mother represents the part, which would be $60. And if I plug 60 in here as my X or my unknown number, and I cross multiply 100 times 60, I get 6,000. Just like 120 times 50 is 6,000. So therefore I can say that these are equivalent. Does that make sense now? Does that make sense, folks? Sorry about the mix-up. I hear someone erasing. Right? So we can say that 50 over 100 is equivalent or equal to 60 over 120. Now, what Mr. R was saying, when you do the math, Mr. R, if they just ignored the zeros, right? And they say, how many times does 6 go into 1? It's 6. And then there's, you know, if they did it this way. So like if somebody asked me.
You said that wrong, Miss Canella. You said how many times does 6 go into 1? You said 6. Don't you mean how many times 1 goes into 6?
Oh, all right, look. Yeah, I think you're right. Look, if you line this up and you cross off your zeros, you get 60 divided by 1, which would be 60 if you didn't have a calculator. You see that? I'm sure you
That
learned.
works with any numbers that have double zeros or triple zeros. right? So you got to make sure that you're always taking that into consideration. Even if you had 10,000, it will work. 10,000 divided by 100, what is it? That should be quick.
10.
10,000. Who said 10?
Joel.
Joel, how you figured it out? Look at
I
what
just
you did.
took, I
You
just
guessed
took away
it.
the zeros.
So if you take away 2 zeros, how much do you have? Is it 10 or 100?
100.
There you go.
You see that, guys? Mental math we're teaching you. Yeah?
Any questions on that? So real quick, I want to hear this. Gigi, what's your first step for the butterfly method?
It's right
What's
there.
the first step for the butterfly method?
The first step for the butterfly method, you have to multiply.
Good.
Yes.
Second step, let's go with, I'm calling you guys randomly right now. Second step for the butterfly method, let's go with Daniel. What's the second step for the butterfly method? You wrote it down, and it's right in front of you.
It's in
What's the-
red. Gigi said multiply, then you what? First you multiply, and then you
Divide.
There you go.
yeah, awesome.
All right. All right. And then Kareem, this is who is doing this one? I
This
seen it.
one is Noelle and Nia.
Okay, Noel, you ready? No? Okay. Nia, maybe you could read it?
I'm ready.
Oh, he said he's ready. Okay.
Adam bought a computer for $800. He made equal payments for 25%. Of the total cost, how much was cash payment? You must use a proportion.
So fill in the percent. That's really easy.
So the percent is 25,
Okay.
and I think the part is 800.
Let's see. You could be right. And if not, we can always go back. And then you say the whole you don't know. Let's see if you're right. Continue, sir. You and Nia are doing this.
So first we need to write those down, and then first we have to multiply the numbers.
Okay. Somebody type something in the chat, but let's do what you're thinking first, Noelle. And then if we're not right, we make some changes. Let's see. Keep going. Let's see if we get an answer.
So 800 and then 25.
I think 800 is the whole, but there's just
Ah, Noelle.
Oh, well,
wait, Noel. I
yes.
think 800 is the whole because it says Adam bought a computer for $800, but it says he made equal payments of 25% of the total cost.
Oh yeah, I get what you mean. So 800 is just.
I think 800 is the cost.
So we,
I mean,
should,
it's the whole.
so we should change it around, guys? You think?
Yeah.
Let's see. I liked how you helped your friend out. All right, so we're going to change this around. This is what you guys say. We're not helping you. We're going to have you figure it out. Okay, now what do you do, guys?
So butterfly method. We're gonna have to multiply 825,
Okay.
and then 800 times 25.
Yep, I'm writing it down. Go ahead.
And then after we multiply 800, no. Yeah, we multiply 800 times 25.
That would be 20,000, I think.
Check it out on a calculator, folks.
Yeah, I think 20,000.
You guys agreeing with them? This is
20
teamwork here.
Yep, 20,000.
Yeah, 20,000. Now we have to divide. We will be dividing
20,000 divided by 100, which is 200.
$200 what?
$200
Is what?
the,
How much is each payment?
yeah, that was how much each payment was, $200.
So let me extend this one step farther. If you have to pay $200 for 1 month and you have to get to $800, how many months will it take you to pay this off? Extension.
It will take you 4 more months because it costs 8,000 and 200 times 400 equals 800.
Awesome. Right? So technically, if you wanted to go the step farther, right, because there's your rigor as well, it would actually take you 4 months to pay it off. It would take 4 months to pay off the computer. I think that's what he bought, right? Yeah. You guys see that? That was just an extension. You guys got that?
Yep.
Nathan, I hope you're writing these down, young man. All right. And then, okay, awesome. I just want to make sure you're with us because you just happened to stand out. I was just like looking at you. I'm like, what's he doing? Hey, Justin, what's the first step in the butterfly method?
Oh, Justin got this.
Multiply.
Good. What's the second step, sir?
Divide.
Beautiful job. Okay, so don't worry about the extension part. Make sure you get that part down. So then at this point, we're going to go into breakout room and do problem 4 in your independent work because it is only 9:28. So you will have 31 minutes to complete remote problem 4, your independent and exit ticket, and submit your notes. You will have to show your work in your notebook for your independent work to get credit. That will be part of what you have to upload by 2:20. All right, are we good, Justin? I see you're still writing. Can we erase it, bud? Okay. All right, so you're gonna answer remote problem 4 in your breakout room, and then you will do the independent problems that have computer questions with Mr. Blau, okay? Visitors. This one you're gonna have to think about, okay? And then you'll have an exit ticket, same kind of concept, same kind of concept, same concept. Does anyone have any questions on that?
No, I just heard the same concept like 4 or 5 times.
Part to whole. All right, I guess we do the breakout rooms, Mr. R?
Yes.
All right, 2 breakout rooms.
Isn't someone supposed to be here?
Yep. I think, Gar. I'm gonna try to make this. How many kids are there?
Right now?
There's 17, right?
Yep.
So, okay. Let's do this.
Tyrone, you ready?
All right, let me go assign. How come? Well, breakout room 2. Hold on a second.
You throwing me in there?
I think everyone won, and then you can just stay back here. No? All right, I'll sign them to breakout room 2. How's that, Mr. R?
Also, I'm staying with these couple bunch.
Yeah, put you in a breakout room here. That way, if we have anyone that comes in. Make sure you guys go to your rooms. I'm gonna make sure the screen is shared.
You didn't put me in the breakout room yet.
I'm getting there, I'm getting there. I'm getting there, sir, I promise. Here. 2. You're going. Azalea, you'll be next. And Azalea. Azalea, go to your assigned area. All right, Mr. R. I'll see you on the other side. Oh, Givelli, go to your breakout room. Miss Perez, you belong in breakout room 2. All right, guys. Wait a minute. I think I have to leave because Mr. R doesn't have sharing privileges. Hold on. All right. Ardelin. Ardelin, you're good? Okay. So Ardelin and Noel, you guys are the teachers. We're going to do remote problem 4. The faster you get through problem 4, the faster you can start your independent work. I'm going on mute. It's all you two. You be the teacher and have the students help you out, Noel and Ardelin. You guys have to assign people to do the work. Go.
Nathan, you want to read?
I can read. Alright, so 150 Sebeka, 150 Asaveka took part in a school cleanup. This is 30% of the students' total. This is 30% of the students' total students. How many students go to Sebeka? You must be proportion.
All right.
You must use a proportion.
All right.
The part is 150, and then the percent, we don't know the whole. So you could put a question mark for the whole. And then the percent would be 30.
All right. So Adeline, you want to pick who does part 1 of the problem?
Yeah, sure. So
Flavia, you want to do the part 1 of the problem?
sure. Okay. So the part is 150. So we don't know the whole. Question mark. Oh. And then the percent is 30 out of 100. So we're going to do the butterfly method. So we're going to multiply 150 by 100. Is 15,000. Then we're going to divide 15,000 by 30 equals 500. The answer is going to be 500 of students at Speckle.
Anyone have any questions about what they just did? Everyone's feeling good? Thumbs up if you really understand what we just did now. Again, I need to see all thumbs up. Yeah, we're good? All right, it looks like I got all thumbs up. Justin, you with me? Nathan, you good? All right, let's open up your independent practice. And same thing, you guys can assign who's gonna do what problem. And you're gonna get that done now. It's only 9:37. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to have Kalani and Noel. Do one of you guys think you can write on the screen while I go check on the other breakout room? You think you guys can write the notes like I was doing? Who wants to do it? Kalani, Noel, Ardelin? Okay. So then what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna go back to your Google Classroom. I'm gonna make sure that I open up, because I wanna make sure Mr. R is okay. I needed to speak to somebody in there. I'm gonna hit collecting responses. You guys will together as a class work on these problems and then proceed to your exit ticket. Have we understood what to do? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna open up the exit ticket. If it lets me, I don't know why. Let me just go to Google. So I have your classwork open. Remember, you have to submit your notes too, okay? Make sure you do that as well. I'm gonna leave you for a bit. And I'm gonna open up your exit ticket. But do the independent first, because it's a bigger part of your grade, okay? That's how you do it in class anyway. If you were in school, that's how we would do it. Oh, why is it not letting me open that up? Interesting. I got an idea. I know how I could do it. Sometimes computers are like a little wonky. You know how that goes. I'm gonna go tell Mr. R. In the meantime, guys, let me just, I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna ask for Kalani or someone to share their screen and start typing, okay? For the independent practice, you have to use the things. There's no Cami on that, all right? So somebody figure it out.
It's okay. We're working here, Miss Canela. We're listening to music and working.
Awesome, Mr. R, when you get a chance, I came in here, I can't get the end of the exit ticket open.
It is open. I opened up both.
You did?
Yes.
Okay. I was gonna see if any student was typing on your screen to record it, but no?
No.
No, okay. All right, I'll see you on the other side.
Guess who helped me though?
Huh?
Guess who helped me in this class?
Belly?
Pick somebody.
Joelle?
Mm-mm.
Azelia? Jennifer? Sacconi?
Picked one person.
I don't know.
His last name is a color.
Green? Tyrone? Nice. I would have loved to see what he did to get it on
He
record.
said that it helped him a lot though.
Huh?
He said that it helped him a lot.
Good, I'm happy to hear that. All right. Just let me know when you're ready if you want to come back at like 9:50.
Yeah, we'll be back in that room before now.
Okay, adios. See you on the other side.
Oh, like it wouldn't be exact because there's like 100 and then 200, so it's not an exact number. So I don't think. Well, we do have to do the multiplication and division to figure out first. So everybody have their notebooks, right?
Yep.
All right, let's start. So first, what do you guys think the percent and what do you guys
Percent.
think is the
We don't know the percent. We have to find the percent though. So
Alright.
the whole is 2,000 and the part is 120.
All right. So now I guess we could just move to butterfly method.
No, Daniel, you need to stay. Noel, sweetie, do you know how to write on the screen, bud?
Only the teachers could do it. Only the people that make the Google thing could do it.
If you go back to the other screen, bud, and then if you click where it says, oh, you can't type on here?
No, only the teachers who made it can.
Oh, so if I share, I'll write what you say, okay?
All right.
That way everyone can see. All right, I didn't know that. Sorry, guys. You're doing really good, though. Continue on. I'm right here. Oh, wait, that's the exit ticket. Let's do this one. All right, Noel. So you guys were on this one? Is that where you were on?
Yeah.
All right. I wish you guys. All right. So what did you guys say? Tell me.
Oh, we were saying that we need to find the percent, and we already know the whole and part.
Okay. I just wanted to catch up to speed. Go ahead.
All right. So now all we really need to do is just like, since we don't have much space, all we have to do now is just divide with the butterfly method.
What does the proportions look like, Noel?
Oh, the part is 120 and the whole is 2000.
What about the percent?
We don't know the percent.
Percent.
Question mark. All right, so now we multiply 120 times 100. So that is, I believe it's 12,000, but I have to be sure. Yeah, it's 12,000. Now we have to divide 12,000. Oh, you wrote that wrong, Miss Canelo. Put 1,200. Yeah, all right. So now we have to multiply 12,000 times, divided by 100.
We're dividing by 100. We're dividing by 2,000, Noel.
We divided by 2,000 because we already used 100.
Yeah. Six. 12,000 divided by 2006. And that's our answer.
Perfect job. Move on to number 3 now.
Okay. On a particular Saturday, 60% of the visitors to an art museum were students. If 144 students visited the museum, how many total visitors did the art museum have that day? So the percent is 60, and I feel like 144 is the part because it says if 144 students visited the museum, but I could be wrong.
No, you're right.
All right.
Because in the question is asking for the total. So it'll be the total amount.
All right. So now we have to multiply and move down to butterfly method. So the numbers are the part is 144. The percent is 60. Well, yeah, and 100. All right, so now we multiply 144 times 100. Uh, 14,400. All right, now we have to divide. We're gonna divide 60. All right, 14. 86,640.
What? You're dividing.
Oh, sorry. What time?
It's okay.
240.
Last problem, guys, then we go back to the main room. Number 4, guys, you're doing awesome. I'm proud of you all.
All right, anybody want to read for the last problem?
Can I read it?
Yeah, sure.
Nathan delivered 60 hives to the location fruit farm. If the farmers have paid to use 10% of the total number of Nathan's hives, how many hives does Nathan have in all? Write your number as 3 numbers only. Example 500.
Okay. So, Nathan, you want to do the problem since it has your name in it, or do you want somebody else to do it?
Somebody else can do it since I read it.
All right. Anybody else want to volunteer?
I'll do the problem.
All right.
So the part is 60, and we don't know the whole, and the percent is 10. So 60 times 100 is 6,000, and then we divide 6,000 by 10, which is 600. So the answer is 600.
Awesome job. They're saying that was really fast. I'm proud of this guy. I'm proud of you guys. All right. We are going to go back to the main screen. You're going to do your independent practice now. Got it? I mean, your exit ticket. Got it? Everyone go back and do their exit ticket. Once you're done with that, you're going to submit your notes. See you on the other side, back with the class, guys. If you guys want, you could work on the exit ticket together because they're still in their breakout room. Want me to put it up? Here, I put it up. But you guys did awesome teamwork. I'm really proud of this group today. All right, here it is. Who's doing it? Who's doing it? Number 2, who wants to do it? Quick, hurry up. Kalani? Justin? Somebody read it. Come on.
The
School principal, Mr. Powell, spent $2,000 to buy some new computer equipment. 120 was used to buy some new keyboards. What was the percent of money was spent on the keyboards? Write your answer as one number only. Example. So there, I'm not gonna say the answer first. So we have to 120 over 2,000, and we have to do a question mark over 100, and we have to multiply 120 times 100, which is 12,000, and then we divide 12,000 divided by 2,000, which equals 6.
That was super quick. Fabulous. Moving on to question 3. Mr. Hudson, can you read it? The Hernandez Cleaning Company. Oh, is the noise going to bother you? Who's got that in the background in Spanish? Anybody?
Oh, Daniel.
Oh. They're doing this all on their own, Mr. R. They're doing awesome.
What are they doing?
They were working on their exit ticket. I just put it up and they were just saying what to do. You guys good? All right. I guess everyone's back. We had a really good breakout room. I didn't do
Miss
anything.
Canelo, can you end the breakout room? I left Gigi and told her to come back. She never came.
Awesome. We had a really good breakout room session. How was yours?
It was good, actually. Productive. Really well put. I had the music playing, and I kind of want to get a vote. Simple yes, no, in the chat really quickly before you guys go. The music that we was playing earlier, did you enjoy it? Did it calm you down? Did it let you focus? Yes or no? Simple in the chat. I'll take a quick vote.
It was really nice.
If you guys don't write no, I'm assuming that all of you like it, and we're gonna keep on playing it for the rest of the time. Okay, and then focus. I got 3 yeses. Okay.
It made me focus, so I guess we'll play that from going forward. Very light in the background, Miss Star.
Cool. We have 5 minutes remaining. Please make sure that you hand in everything, guys, including your class notes. That is something that we're utilizing, right? If you didn't turn in your classroom notes, you lose 30% of your grade automatically. And then if you didn't turn in your independent practice and exit ticket, then you also lose even more points. So it's on you, right? It's like a package deal. You do some, you don't. If you don't do the whole everything, you have to have your camera on, you have to have you do your independent practice, exit ticket, turn in your notes. That's like, and there's one more I'm missing. Oh, come prepared, right? That's 5. 5 times 5 is what? 25. The next 5% is just having your camera on. That's 30% of your grade right there. I mean, I just don't know how more efficiently I can break it down for you, but just know that that's part of your grade.
And make sure you do your 30 minutes a day of iReady, a total of 150.
And that's homework. So
easy 100.
that's another percent grade, right? That's something else.